नाम अकुल शर्मा है। मैं कक्षा दूसरी में पढ़ता हूँ। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। धन्यवाद।
India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai. Good morning everyone. Today heart is daily exercise also makes us fit and helps us to feel healthy. Healthy mind, healthy body, healthy life. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Nebik Sambyal. Today I am going to recite a poem and the title of the poem is Health is Wealth. Healthy boys and healthy girls make a future full of pearls. If you are healthy, you are wise. Otherwise you cannot rise. Find fresh fruits, fast food frown, eat green veg, have rice brown. Do some yoga and play a ball. Health is wealth, say you all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to speak on health is wealth. Health is the biggest wealth for a human being in his or her entire life. One can survive without excess money, but can't survive without good health. Health is something that we can't buy with money, but we can take care of it and we can care it when needed with the help of money. If a person is not having good health, the person will not be able to enjoy his or her life. Money doesn't make a person rich and happy, but good health does. Moreover, a person can't feel complete and happy without a good health. Good health is one of the main elements of happiness that a person needs in his or her life. We can see various people around us that are happy without having a lot of money. However, they are happy because they have good health and they enjoy their lives. We can also see many people that are having a lot of money and are rich enough to buy anything they want, but still they are not totally happy. Moreover, they are not satisfied with their lives. The reason behind the sadness of the rich people is mostly that they don't have good health and they worry about this thing a lot. However, they cannot buy good health with their money. If someone wants perfect health, then first of all, he or she has to improve the quality of the thoughts that generate and occur in their minds. When person thinks positively, then he or she improve his or her chemistry from within. For a healthy lifestyle, one should follow many rules and should also sacrifice many things in their daily routines. On the other hand, if a person spends half an hour on exercise daily, then he or she will be able to el- eliminate the toxicity from the body. There are few simple ways for healthy lifestyle. First of all, wake up early in the morning and do at least half an hour of physical and mental exercise of any type, whichever suits you the best. Avoid or try to reduce the amount of intake of highly processed or toxic foods per day. Avoid soda drinks or drinks with artificial sugar content. Also, decrease the amount of consuming meat. Start eating fish, vegetables as much as you can. The easiest way, increase water consumption on a daily basis. Finally, we all are aware that our health is the most important wealth that we have. We know that we can earn money if once we lose it, but we can't get back our good health easily if we lose it due to carelessness. Health is the only wealth we are born with and we even die with, our health. So, make a healthy lifestyle a priority.